Okay, thanks, boys. All right, so we talked last lesson about what to do with fractions.
The
last lesson, Charlie?
The mixed and like you have to do both to top and bottom and mixed fraction.
Mixed to
Equivalent, improper.
yeah, mixed to improper and then back the other way as well. Okay, and we talked about timesing and then plussing, and then asking if you're going back the other way, asking the question, how many of the denominator fits into the numerator? Okay, so you should have your maths notes up in front of you. Fantastic. Oh, okay, that's okay. Don't worry about it. You would have done that lesson. Okay, no problems. That's fine. Rightio. So 2 things to remember when you're working with adding and subtracting fractions. Maybe 3. 2. Okay. So if the denominators are the same, typing this in, yep. Thanks, Laura's. The same. All that needs to be done is to add, I'll just use the plus sign because it's quicker, or subtract the numerators. Okay, straightforward. You should remember that from grade 5, hopefully. Okay, and the denominators remain the same in your answer. Sorry. Okay, so if the denominators are the same, all that you need to do is to work with the numerators to add or subtract depending on what the question asks you to do. Okay? Make sense? Real easy, yeah. Now, I will be honest, you're probably not going to get too many questions where they're already set out like that, because that's a bit easy. All right. For example, e.g., 5 over 4, okay, subtract 3 over 4, okay. Denominators are the same, so my denominator in my answer will be the same. 5 minus 3, 2. Now, in this answer, we're going to apply one of those other skills that we know. Whenever it is possible, you need to simplify your answer. So 2 quarters is the same as
1/2.
Great. Okay. So I've divided by 2. And that would be full marks, that last one. 2 quarters, you might lose a half mark or so, or 1 mark even. Because you need to show all your fraction knowledge wherever you can. Okay? I'll give you a sec to catch up. So the second dot point, when denominators are unlike, different, you need to make them the same.
How do you make it drop? Oh, the top right, there'll be like a 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Or you could put like a little star and then space and it automatically just do it.
Yeah, it automatically.
Okay. Don't stress. Okay, when denominators are unlike, you need to make them the same. Okay? You actually have 2 options in this situation, okay? Usually, you can change one of the denominators. Just going to write D, capital D for denominators, to match the other. And most of the time, that is all you will have to do before you start your adding and subtracting. But sometimes you might have to change both of them to different denominators that are the same as each other. Okay? That's less common, but still important. So sometimes you need to change both. To match each other. Okay, and I'm just going to put a little star here that says see maths book, grid book for examples, because we're going to do some examples in a sec. So when you're looking through these notes, you will know to go to your grid book. All right, I'll give you a minute to catch that up.